All right, good morning. Welcome back to this video channel. I want to share some moves or movements from Okinawan Karate that I study that relate to Qigong, and that could be very helpful for the Qigong that you may be practicing from this channel if you like some of the videos we've done before. So one that I want to share is from a martial arts form called San Chin, S-A-N-C-H-I-N, San Chin. And the idea here is that some of the standing postures that we've done, they're designed to open up the organs of the body and the bones and move the tendons. And what this practice can do is store energy that's generated into the bones and the tendons. So what it looks like, and I've got one foot in front of the other, you can stand them to foot's hip width or shoulder width, or you can step one out in front of the other. And I'm flexing the fists, squeezing the muscles of the body. You can do just the arms. 3, squeeze and release. It's important to do the squeeze and release. So I'm staying in a relaxed posture. I step out, squeeze the fist. And again, I can squeeze all of just the arms. I can squeeze just the feet, the butt, the legs, digging into the earth there with my feet, or I can squeeze all of the above and then relax. Stretch that out. I can step forward with the other foot and just relax. One thing here is that it can you can generate a lot of energy in these standing practices, and you can really store a lot of energy from doing the squeeze and release. But it's really important to be sure to stretch the legs out, relax a little bit, go for a walk, exhale any heat that's generated. You might even do the 6 healing sounds. I recommend that if you want to watch another one of these videos. Another part of this movement, so I did the fist part. You can also move the hands down. So I'm forcefully exhaling as I'm squeezing. So that's another movement if you like the hands down a little bit versus the fists up. But the idea here is that we're squeezing, putting energy into the bones and tendons of the body. So give that a shot. Thank you.